Okay, question 1. The graph below shows a dashed line on a coordinate plane. Two right triangles are drawn so that its longest side lies on the dashed line. Based on this information, what do you know to be true about the line and the slope of the line? Write 2 statements about what we do. Alright, about what we do know. So, the first things first is our line is a linear line. And it goes straight. If we were to solve for a slope of either of our triangles, so our small triangle slope, we're going to use the points -3 and 6 and -2 and 4. So our -3 is our x1, our 6 is our y1, our -2 is our x2, and our 4 is our y2. Okay? We know that our slope is going downhill, correct? So that is one statement, and it says, what do we know to be true about the line and the slope of the line? We know it's downhill, therefore it's negative, and we can prove that by plugging this into the equation of slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this will give us 4 minus 6 divided by -2 minus -3. That becomes -2 over a +1. So our slope equals -2. So our first statement is, we know the slope is -2. The other thing true about the line is it does not matter where on the line we pick, our slope will be the same. So we know the slope is the same anywhere on the line.